Welcome, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 12 is the simple equation. Clear? In this simple equation, first I want to tell what is the equation. Okay, so if there is an expression, if there is an expression is equal to another expression in mathematical operation, in our mathematical operation, then it is termed as equation. First you have to clear what is the equation. When there is an expression, algebraic expression, if it is equal with another algebraic expression, then the mathematical expression is termed as an equation. Means, let's I am taking an example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 7. Here 2x plus 5 is a algebraic expression, mathematical expression, which is equal to, and this mathematical expression is showing its value is equal with the expression 3x minus 7. That means 2x plus 5 if equal with 3x minus 7, then this is known as an equation. Okay, next is that what is algebraic expression? You know already in algebra I told these about. These are the algebraic expression where more than one terms can be connected or combined with different signs, different operations, mathematical operations like plus, minus, into, and the divisions. Clear? Another thing I want to tell, equation having one variable, equation having one variable and power or degree 1, then it is called as a linear equation. Okay, what is telling? Equation having one variable and power 1 or degree 1, then it is called as a linear equation. Suppose there are the examples like is 3x plus 4 c is equal to 0. Suppose I am taking this is an expression, this is also an expression, or this is the value which are equal for each other. Then these are the equation. In this equation there is the variable used here, that is x. Variable is x and also its power is 1. So it is a example of linear equation. Clear, students? If I will give some other examples like this. See, this is the example. Suppose I am taking 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 7. In this expression also there is a variable is used, that is x. Here also x. So the variable used is x and also its power is 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. The expression whose degree is 1. So it is termed as a linear equation. Next. Okay, some other examples I will give. See here, 3x minus 2y or x square minus or plus y square is equal to 2y. If like this, there are the some expressions in which there are the two type of variables are used, x and y, and also here x and y also used with that the power is also 2. So these are the this is the equation having the two variables. Okay, so these are not includes in the linear equation. Next, we have to go for the method of a solutions of linear equations. Okay, methods of solution for linear equation. What is the methods for solution? There are some different methods. First, I want to tell what are the methods of a solution. Methods means what? Solutions means what? Solution of linear equations means we have to find out the value of variables in that given equation to show that its value is also is proof that the is value is proofs that before the equal sign is must be equal with the value after the equal sign, means without changing the signs or the expression in both the side of equal by putting a particular value in case of the variable, then that is known as the solution of the linear equation. That means what? We have to find out what is the value we should use in the case of the variable that it shows the equal answer in both the cases, before the equal and the after the equal. So that is the solution. For find out the solution, there are some methods are there. What is first one is the trial and error method. What is trial and error method? In this method, we are just first we read the equation carefully and then put the value of the variables for which it shows the solution of that linear equation. Again I am telling, suppose see here 5x plus 1, there is an equation I am taking. 5x plus 1 is equal to 21. Okay, this is the equation which is I am taking. In this equation, this is the left hand side because it presents the left side of the equal sign, and this is RHS means right hand side. Okay, so in this equation, first we have to put the value of the variable one by one to check the left hand side answer must be equal with the right hand side answer. Then only it's said to be it's a solution of that given variable to come to the equation. Okay, so we have to start from here. If I will take in case of x that is 1, suppose if the x is equal to 1 here, then what I got? 5x plus 1 in LHS side. Okay, in LHS side what I got here? 5 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Is it came RHS? No. So what I will write here? LHS is not equal to RHS if x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1. Again I will try for x is equal to 2. Okay, 5 into 2 plus 1, what I got here? 5 2s are 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Here also LHS is not equal to RHS if x is equal to 2. Again 5 into if x is equal to 3 plus 1, then what the answer I am getting here? 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Here also LHS is equal to not equal to RHS. If I will take x is equal to 4 here, here x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 4 plus 1, then 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. See, I am getting in LHS side, if x value is 4, then I am getting 21, which is equal to RHS. Okay, so what I am writing here, LHS is equal to, LHS is equal to RHS if x is equal to 4. That means what? The solution of this question is, if the value of x is equal to 4. What is that? If x is equal to 4, then I am getting the solution of this equation. 5x plus 1 became 21. Clear? Means what? Trial and error means what? We will try by putting the different values in case of the variable for the given equation. Then up to that point where it should be equal with the RHS, right hand side, or other side of the equal. Then this is the solution of that linear equation. Clear? But dear students, as this method is very lengthy and time consuming, so we should go for another simple method. So let's I will tell you what we will do in another method. So dear students, another second method is that, so see, systematic method. What is in first method? We are just putting the different value in case of the variable and we will try to make them equal. Means LHS should be RHS up to that point where they should become as equal answer. But in this method, we will simply in easy way, how can we will get the value of x or the variable without checking one by one. See what I will do here. X plus 5 is given, and here LHS side it is given x plus 5, and here also RHS side that is given 12. But in this method, without changing the equation, we should try to keep balance in both the side of the equal sign. Means LHS side it should be right hand side. Okay, without putting the value of x one by one, we should be do in this form. See what should I do? To keep balance, we should do one side equal with the same we should do with the other side. Means what I do here, see, x plus 5 is given, here plus 5 is given, so I am here I am here putting minus 5. Okay, what I am putting here, x plus 5 is given, I am subtracted minus 5. Means what? In as the plus 5 is given, I am adding here its inverse number. Means plus 5 is given, so I am putting here minus 5. If there minus, then you should put here plus. If there into, then you should put here division. Like this. Means you should try to remove the number. Means you should try to remove the number by putting plus minus into a division as suitable in this position, but their inverse form. Means its opposite form, opposite term. Okay, so in this method what we doing, if we are putting the minus 5 as a addition, so you should also put in this side, means right hand side also same number, minus 5. Again I am telling, here's the question is x plus 5. Extra thing I am putting here to remove the number minus 5, and with that I also putting minus 5 in the right hand side. To keep balance, we should do one side, that thing what we do in the left hand side, that same thing we should do with the other side also. Then after what will happen, plus 5 minus 5 are cancelled with each other. Okay, now what is remain here, x. Okay, 12 minus 5, what I getting here, 12 minus 5 means 7. Can you understand what is the value of x I am getting here, 7. So see, after checking, okay, next you have to do checking. Checking means what? LHS is equal to, LHS means what is given? X plus 5. LHS means what? X plus 5. So if the value of x7 I am putting here as I got here, that I am getting 12. Is it not came? Yes, that is RHS. Can you understand how will I getting this? So let's see some other examples I will do. The first example which I taught in the last example, 5x plus 1 is equal to 21. So see how this is happen. I will tell this one later. So see another example. Here 3x is equal to 15. Okay, 3x is equal to 15. What does this mean? 3x means 3 into x is equal to 15. What I telling here? Here I am told that if just I want to remove the number to get the value of x. Here the number is in the multiplied form. Its inverse is that division. As here the multiplication is given, I should do the division. Divide the number with 3. Okay, so see 3 into x by 3 is equal to, as I am doing here by 3, here also I will do by 3. Okay, 3 is cancelled with each other, then I got x, only x is equal to 5. 3 5s are 15. That value of x is equal to 5. If I will put the value of x 5 here, then 3 5 is 15. LHS became RHS. Then it is simplified. So see some other example. X by 5 is equal to 40. Okay, x by 5 is equal to 40 means what? Here it is in the division form, means divide. To get the variable means to remove the number x by 5 into 5 I will do. As in the left hand side I will do the into, means division is given, its opposite is multiplication. So I am doing here into 5. So here also 40 into 5. Okay, 5 is cancelled, then I got x, then 45 is 200. Value of x is equal to 200. It is simply. Can you understand? If it is so like this, means what I will do here, to keep balance, we should do what we should do in the left side of equal sign. We must do the same thing with the right side, means right hand side. Okay, then in this form what will happen, we should try to remove the numbers to get the simply variables by adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing as suitable, which is needed in this time, in this equation. But we should put the inverse form of that number, then opposite form of that number, then we got the value of variables. So let's see what is happen here. 5x plus 1 is equal to 21. Here the plus 1 is there, so 5x plus 1 is there. I am adding minus 1. As I am putting here minus 1, 21 minus 1 also. Okay, so what is happen? Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. What is remain? 5x is equal to 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. Now see here another number is also here, 5 into x. 5 into x. So 5x, its opposite is divide. To remove number, if I will divide 5 with 5, then it will be cancelled. So 20 by 5. What is happen? 5 is cancelled. Then x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. The value of x is equal to 4 here. Okay. By putting the value of x is equal to 4 in this LHS, then you will must got the value of RHS is equal to 21. Okay. After doing the equation, you must check whether they are coming or not. Means here I will checking. See how can you have to check. To check, first you write the LHS. LHS means 5x plus 1. 5 into x means x value is 4 plus 1. 5 4 20 plus 1 21. That is equal to RHS. Okay. So you write here LHS is equal to RHS. Then only your problem will be correct. Otherwise not. Okay. In this In this form, you should try to do other problems which are related in your exercise. Okay. So, um, according that, you have to try the first exercise of this lesson in this method. In next video, I will tell other methods for the simplification of linear equations. Okay, students. But this simple equation will not come in your terminal exam up to that points which are up to that chapters which are given in your course in the group, that chapters only you have to prepare. And another thing, the number line basing exercises and the questions will not come, so don't worry about that questions, you just prepare other questions. Best of luck for the exam. Thank you.